Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and let's begin with the shortest code. The first one is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now another code, which is *##09#. And thanks to this code, we can again check IMEIs, but also barcode, the software built version, and we can also scan those QR codes, and we've got the serial number here. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the engineering mode, I believe. I mean, we will be able to test our device. And the code for it is *##558#. And here we've got engineer menu, and here we can of course enter the settings and read the privacy terms if you wish. And we can also open OQC test. We should scan this code firstly, but simply tap on that we have scanned it. Here let's tap on the test, and as you can see we can check specific sections of our device. They are not really that much advanced, but still we can, for example, check the IMEI and whether if your device shown you the numbers correctly, simply mark it as normal. This is how you can check different components of your device. You can also open phone info, and it was also normal, Bluetooth test and RTC time test, for example, and that was normal. So this is how this section works. Another code which I can show you is *###, 225####. And here we are in the version test, so we can again check some technical information. Again, the barcode, serial number, secure boot, both IMEI numbers, as you can see it's quite important, and different information. Another code is for testing mode, and it is *###, 4636#, *###. And here we are in the testing mode, so again, technical information. We can check some phone info, such as again IMEI number, the voice service, for example. We can show signal strength, run ping test here, and after tapping on the 3 dot icon, we can show you fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Be aware, because you will be able to check all of that if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have this information because I do not have my SIM. And for example, we've got also Wi-Fi information. We can check the API configuration and the status. Let me tap on status. Let's refresh the stats. And here we've got the things called connected with the Wi-Fi, like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let me go back and let me show you the last code, which is *###426####. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host port, time connected, and tap on events to check some further details. We can also tap on the 3 dots icon and tap on advanced view, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.